I'm Gretchen, and welcome to On a Bear's Dime, where we like to share some ideas on how to save time and money to reach your goals and live a better life. Today I'm going to share an easy 2-day meal plan with chicken tacos and chicken taco soup. First, you're going to take your 2 pounds of chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast, or you can also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Add your packet of taco seasoning or make your own. All of the directions will be underneath the video. Add your salsa or your can of tomatoes and then turn it on and set it on for the day. When you get home, it should look something like this. What you're going to do now is to shred the chicken so that you can make your chicken tacos. I just use 2 large forks to get them shredded. You can also use special shredders that they make to help you with that. You can also take them out of the container and shred it. The choice is up to you. I usually at this point turn it back on high for a little bit. That way the juices can get into the chicken after you shred it and kind of get some of that extra fluid or extra water off of there. When you're doing this, you can start your pan with your hot pan so you can cook your peppers and your onions. Also start any sides that you might need. I'm making white rice with mine, or you can make Mexican rice or whatever other sides you like to eat with your tacos. As you can see, my rice is cooking and my peppers and my onions are cooking. Here they're almost ready. I have some side and some condiment choices listed below also. You can use whatever you like to put on tacos. Okay, the peppers and the onions are almost ready. And here I'm using soft tacos. You can also use hard corn tacos and my side of Mexican rice that we made as a side dish. I put on lettuce on top of mine and some salsa. So now day 2, we're going to make some taco chicken soup. Once you're done packing lunches for the next day, you can add in your leftover rice, your leftover peppers, and whatever other leftovers you might have. Stick in a can of black beans, a can of corn, and enough chicken broth to make it a soup. So please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Make sure you're hitting the bell icon so you can be informed when we upload videos, and comment on what you might like to see next for us. We upload a video every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye!